Alright, this is Justin Tomlin. I'm from Statesville, North Carolina, for those of you who don't know where that is. It is above Charlotte, in North Carolina, obviously. Today's date is not December the 2nd like you're seeing. It is December the 4th, 2010. And today I'm just going to kind of update you on the snow for North Carolina today. Most of it in the western part, anyways, outside of the mountains, has already occurred for the most part. But let me switch over and show you the radar right now. Here we go. Radar right here. Oh, I didn't mean to click that. Hold on. Alright, don't move. Okay. Anyways, but there we go. As you can see, some of the light rain showers. Earlier today, I got out of the SAT at about 12, and it was flurrying a little bit, and then it picked up, and there from about 12:30 to about 2:30 it snowed for quite a bit, and we got a nice dusting on pretty much everything. I noticed some of the roads were starting to turn to slush, and the bridges were, or at least one bridge that I went over was covered with snow. As you can see on the radar here now, Raleigh, Durham, Winston-Salem, Greensboro experiencing some snow right now. Areas north and east of Statesville could see, and as you go further east, just straight east, it doesn't have to be in the northern part of the state. Pretty much everybody experiencing snow except the southwest part of the state, and I'm not sure about that sounding there in the southern part of the mountains. It's showing up as rain on the radar, but that probably is snow. As you can see, let me try and see if I can't. Okay, zoom out to region. Okay, here we go. As you can see, there's a lot of snow back, all the way back into Indiana, and all that snow has yet to cross through here. Now, as you can see, it's starting to dry out. You can see the dry slots starting to show up. As this goes over the mountains overnight, we're not going to get, I'm not going to say the snow's completely done for us here in Statesville, but for the most part, we're done with precip, other than a couple flurries or maybe even a light snow shower that comes through at night. The storm, my predictions were for about a dusting of snow for Statesville, North Carolina, anywhere a dusting to an inch, and we got right about that. We got a dusting, and then my porch actually measured about 1/4 of an inch of snow / sleet. If we hadn't had that sleet, and if it had been a degree or two colder, and all of it had been snow, and some of the rain fell while I was at the parade in Taylorsville, if that had all been snow, then I think we could have seen an inch. But, and like I said, areas along the NC border, NC-Virginia border, and back down into Raleigh could have seen 1 to 2 inches, and which they did. I'll show you the reports. I think I've got them. Yeah. Okay. Winston-Salem, as of, let's see, when this 5:17 p.m., and these totals are only going to continue to go up. Not by much, but Winston-Salem 2 inches, Greensboro about 2.5, anywhere, Chapel Hill 1/2 inch, Raleigh, let's see, what's Raleigh, 1/2 inch, Wilson 1 inch, Ramseur 2 inches, and those totals are, especially Wilson and Ramseur, they're going to go up as we go on through the night, because they're not done, whereas we pretty much are. Right here, I'm going to draw a line with a little mouse, about just north of Statesville, back into Greensboro and Raleigh. Y'all have a better chance of seeing some more precip. I think eventually through the night that all this along the coast, before it all is said and done with, y'all will see some snow down at least to, say, New Bern area. Further south, it's a chance that you don't. But most of this snow that you see west of the mountains will get cut off by the mountains, most of it anyways, but I think we're pretty much done here in Statesville. And north of us, y'all could see another 1/2 inch to 1 inch anyways, and as you go into Virginia, it's a whole nother different story. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to talk about the long range. I will tell you there's some interesting stuff showing up in the long range that could potentially bring us some more snow or wintry mayhem anyways. We'll see how that plays out, and I'll try to get a video out tomorrow about that. But that's about it for now. like I said, for Statesville, I don't see much more snow coming in. Areas north and east, or just plain north, really. Yeah, I could see y'all getting a couple more snow showers, but I'm not going to rule out a flurry this evening. But that's it. 6 o'clock. I'll see y'all tomorrow.